Okay, another thing to show you guys. I Googled this, setting these gas struts. And nobody gave me dimension. They just showed them basically doing them without the information you need. Dimensions. So here's an easy, to the point video, quick. Not a bunch of fluff. These are overlay cabinets, typical, the cheap China cabinets that we're all putting in kitchens now. Standard. This is not going to be a full overlay. It's like a 3/4 overlay cabinet. That doesn't really matter, but that gives you an idea. I'm coming 1.5 inches off of here, okay, to the bracket. Then I come over. It's roughly, it's like 1 3/4 off the side to clear, for the strut to clear the face frame. Put that on at 1.5 inches to the bracket. Put your screws in the center. Hang your deal, your strut. Then get your other side. I mean, it's nice to be able to, have a little keeper, but the head works good. You can also put a clamp. A bigger clamp would be better. I just don't want to drop the clamp on the. I mean, it's holding. But so you get this in there, get it to where you want it. Actually, I'm not going to use the clamp because I want the cabinet to go and flow with the rest. So I'm going to bring it to here, set the inside, right? That's where I'm at. And you got to give it pressure, and then hold it. Make sure you got a screw hole you can run into. Give it a little bit of pressure. Set your screw on your tip. These are the best tips this side of Texas, by the way. T25 to a Phillips 2 on one little epicness there. And then sometimes you gotta, depends on how you have your strut on the thing. You gotta pull the strut, but once that's set, you're pretty much golden. Pull the strut off, and then set your other screws. And last one. Okay, set your strut. Boom, Bob's your uncle. Easy. These things only need one strut each. Probably could put 2 if you wanted, but that's it. So you're 1.5 inches off the side. No, you're 1 3/4 off the side to clear that. So all you need to do is clear that. Whatever your dimension is, just clear that. But 1.5 inches to the bracket up in here. And then center the screws so you have a little bit of play, because if you push this bracket that way, it'll raise the door. And then hang it, and then set your lower bracket with the round base. I did it on the wall. You could probably do it out here. There's other brackets you can make, but this works just fine. And then set it, pull it off the gas strut, set your other 2 screws. This is plenty good. This will work fantastic for these guys. It took me a minute to figure this out, but I couldn't find any info for just simple dimensions. It was all, here's how you do it kind of stuff. So this is a little bit more, it's a quick and easy. You'll see that last one, I got to adjust that, and I'll adjust that with the top bracket, the one that's on the door. So I hope that helps.